Check out this Nissan 2013 Versa SV. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, paired with a sporty manual transmission. This vehicle's top features include metallic blue, L93, 5-piece carpeted floor trunk mat set, charcoal cloth seat trim, front-wheel drive, power steering, front disc rear drum brakes, wheel covers, steel wheels and tires, front all-season. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.